I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's just hop into this review. Today we will be reviewing the Outre Perfect Hairline Mailah wig. So did get this wig off Amazon, but y'all know they use third-party sellers, so this is just a card here. If you all are interested in it, you all can definitely scan that QR code. But let's just get into the specs. Let's just get right into this wig. So this wig is 24 inches. You can use up to 400 degrees of heat on it. It does have your transparent HD lace. It does come with that 13x6 frontal. It comes in 11 different colors. This wig is glueless because it comes with a pre-attached elastic band. The hairline does come pre-plucked. So this wig is very beginner friendly, just as most of their wigs are.
Don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you.
So this is what the hairline is looking like. Y'all know we'll get up close and personal a little bit later on, but let's get into this cap construction, y'all. So that is that 13x6 frontal that I was telling y'all about, but it does come with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. That's that pre-elastic band I was talking about, and then it does come with your regular adjustable straps that all wigs come with. But y'all, look at this color. I'm so in love with it. This wig is just screaming fall. Y'all can't tell me it's not. But yeah, this is what she's looking like on the mannequin head. Just a back view. Look at how pretty she is. I'm just running my fingers through it. No tangles, no nothing. But here we are getting into that hairline. Like I said, it's pre-plucked, so it's very beginner friendly. You do not have to do anything to this wig, and it does come with baby hairs as well. You can definitely part this wig wherever you want to, in the middle, on the left side, on the right side. You can even pull it up, do like a half up, half down style. So very versatile.
My mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't.
And their hair, I'm just cutting off the lace. Y'all know I like to follow the hairline, but I do go in a zigzag motion so we can get as close to a natural hairline as possible. And now it's time to install her. We're just going in with my wig spray. I will have all the products and everything in the description box down below, but y'all know I end up doing it's between 2 and 4 layers, just depending on how long I want to wear the wig. So this day I ended up doing 3 layers, and then I did have to cut off a little bit of their hairline because it came down a little bit further than mine. And then I just put my elastic band on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then once we remove that, that's when we're really going to get into the styling of the wig. I did go in with some alcohol just to remove any of that wig spray residue, because sometimes it will leave like a little bit of a white cast, but with the alcohol, easy to remove.
But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Tell me what you say now.
So for today, I wanted to go in with a side part. Y'all know I'm a side part girl. I do it on my left side, and I like to put the part where the arch of my eyebrow is. So I'm just taking that rat tail comb, and that's what I am doing here, just trying to get the part as straight as possible.
So uninvited, just change my mind like that. Please don't take this.
And if I haven't mentioned to y'all before, their wigs are big head friendly. Y'all know I don't have my hair braided down, which I do now. We'll get into that in another video, but usually I don't, so I just slip my hair down into a low puff, and the wig usually fits over it. So if you have a head bigger than mine, like I said, it definitely is big head friendly. But I just took this curling iron because it has adjustable heat settings, and I told you to go up to 400 degrees. I believe I did like 350 or 360, just to kind of smooth out the top of the wig and flatten it out some, just so it doesn't look like big and bulky. And then I went in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer just to kind of define that part a little bit more and make it look a little bit natural. I will go in with like a Q-tip and my fingers just to blend it in even more.
Item, please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal.
Now, on the first initial wear this day, I did not get a lot of shedding at all, but I will tell you, as you go on wearing this wig, because it is synthetic and because it is 24 inches, you will get some shedding and you will get some tangling, and especially around like that nape area, that's where it tends to happen the most. So just be mindful of that. But if you're used to synthetic wigs, then you already know that that's pretty much what usually happens with any long synthetic wigs. But for the most part, shedding is very minimal. Like I said, I love the color on this wig. Their construction, like I said, is beginner friendly. I definitely think if you're looking for a good fall wig, this is definitely the way to go. Like I said, you can part it whichever way you want to. I didn't do a middle part because I just didn't like how the colors fell when it was in the middle part. But to each his own. But yeah, I was in love with this wig. If y'all like this video, please make sure y'all give it a fat thumbs up. Leave any other wig companies or wigs y'all want me to review. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button to join the ALB fam, because where else would you want to be? And until the next video, I love y'all as always.
Everybody's like he's no.
Bye y'all.
Please don't like him. He don't.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing.